How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video. And today, look what finally decided to show up. Guys, here it is. Finally, after all this waiting in my hands, the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Man, oh man, I've been waiting so long to unbox this thing. Let's kind of take a look at the box. Kind of see here on the side, this is your typical iPhone box, so you got a bit of a textured feel on the front. You can kind of feel the borders of the phone. Very nice. We got iPhone on the side, Apple logo up there, iPhone back here as well. Looking real nice. Let me just cover that UPC and serial number. Anyway, here it is on the back, iPhone 16 Pro Max, yada yada yada, and here it is in the box. We're just gonna jump straight into this. You know what I'm saying? Let me just get this peel tabs off. But I have been waiting way too long for this. So we are just going to crack this open, and then as I'm opening it, I'll talk to you guys about specs and stuff in this quick little unboxing. Let's get these out the way. We don't need that. All right. Ooh! Look at that black. Okay. All right. So a few things I want to talk about as we're opening this. Let's kind of lift this up and put it to the side here. Dang. Okay. Anywho, ooh, it looks like the box seems a bit different. This is a new, I never remember it being like that in that oval shape. Okay, so as we kind of look at what's in the box, I got the black titanium version. It comes in white, natural titanium, or desert titanium, the new like brown finish looking thing. Braided cable, thank you, Apple. I wish the charging brick was in there, but you know, you can't have everything. This comes in either 256, 512 gigs, or 1 terabyte of storage. I got the 256 because I have other phones, and I don't need that much storage. Go here. So it's like an oval. Sorry, I kind of blanked out there. It's kind of like an oval shape for the... That's new. That's very new. So this is like a little bit of a thick piece of paper here. Very premium feeling. Feels real nice. And we got this. And that is it. We get no Apple stickers. I think it's safe to say Apple stickers are gone for good. Anywho, this is going to be Apple's thinnest, lightest phone. And the cool thing is, the one big thing is actually the display has increased. This display is a 6.9-inch display. Take a look at that. Shout out my phone. We're recording this on the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. Let me know what you guys think of the quality. Let's throw that to the side. Okay, so here it is. So yes, like I said, increase in screen size. It is a 6.9-inch display compared to last year's 6.7-inch. We got the A18 Pro chip on this bad boy. Looking real nice. Okay, so let's kind of take a look at the cameras here. We have our bit of a upgrade in terms of camera. We still have the 5x optical zoom camera. We got a 48 megapixel ultra wide. Take a look at that. Looks very similar, but there is an upgrade in that ultra wide, as I was mentioning. 48 megapixel main lens, and then we have our standard 12 megapixel for the other camera. We are going to be getting a 25x digital zoom as well, so that's pretty cool. And the new, like, man, it's gonna be really cool with that 48 megapixel ultra wide to do like the macro shots and everything like that. I'm honestly really hyped for that. And 4K 120 frames per second recording. That's really cool. Few other phones have had it before, but hey, videos look real good on the iPhone. I'm really happy to see that on the iPhone. Other than that, we have the front facing 12 megapixel camera. That hasn't really changed. But the big thing really is Apple Intelligence. This phone feels real good in the hands. Oh, how could I forget? The capture button. I got a lot to say about this button. I'll talk to you guys about that in a second. But kind of looking at the size here, let me grab a few other phones here real quick to kind of get like a size comparison going on. And before I boot this thing up, I'm going to throw a screen protector on it because you know me. I want my screen protector. Okay, so here is the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and here is my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Look at the difference in the black. I feel like the S24 Ultra is a bit lighter in terms of black. They're both titanium phones. Looking real nice. I will do a size. I kind of want to do a size comparison. I just want you all to see for like the American flagship phones. And then here's my Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. So again, you guys can kind of see the difference in colors. There is no titanium variant for the 9 Pro XL yet. Or I say yet. Who knows if they're going to do it. I don't really care too much about the titanium, but I know some do. But in terms of sizing, sorry, my hands are a bit greasy right now. Let's kind of take a look at sizing here. So the main thing that I was kind of mentioning that kind of had to do with the 16 Pro Max increasing in size is not necessarily the fact that the phone itself is bigger, but look at how slim those bezels are. Very, very slim bezels. Let's just boot up the phone. Let's boot up the phone here. But very slim bezels. I apologize for all my fingerprints that are being attracted on this. Kind of hot in here right now. It is what it is. But those are very slim bezels. I'm sorry, I don't know why I didn't talk about the capture button earlier, but we're going to definitely talk about that for quite a bit in this unboxing. Oh, there's me. Hey, guys. Alright. There's that good big bright hello, and then in all different sorts of languages. But take a look at those bezels. Very, very slim bezels. I'm really happy. I'm really happy with the slim bezels. I'm a real big... Let me get these phones out of the way. They're kind of chilling in the corner here. But I'm very happy. I'm a really big bezel guy. I really like having like very slim bezels on my phone. All right. Let's get into this. All right, and I signed into Wi-Fi. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Okay, so... Why did I say I need to put a SIM card in this? I gotta activate my eSIM on this thing. Okay, there we go. So I'm gonna pretty much make sure this is all up to date. Looks like it already did it, so... It's still on SOS, however, I think it's gonna have me, like, you know, do the whole eSIM stuff afterwards. I don't know why I said SIM card. I completely forgot the... Only in the US, I believe, they don't come with the physical SIM, which kind of sucks. I really like having the physical SIM, but it is what it is. So pretty much this is going to be downloading the software update. I'm gonna let this thing download. Don't want you guys sitting here with this boring stuff, and then I'll catch you guys when that's done. Alright, so as this is doing its little iOS update, this ain't sponsored or anything, I promise, but I just wanted to show y'all something cool. What screen protector I use for pretty much all my American phones. Zagg, shout out Zagg. You can get these at pretty much any local retailer. I recommend getting them through Best Buy because you get those like free unlimited screen protector swaps, which is pretty sweet if you like drop your phone a lot and whatnot. But I just this thing on this one right now is this new like graphene screen protector. So it says it's 11 times stronger, blue light filter, without discoloring, like changing the color of your screen and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. That's what I got slapped on this bad boy. And hey, like I said, unlimited free replacements. If you mess it up, even when you're installing it, it's super easy because you get an applicator and everything. Hey, you can replace it if something goes wrong. We'll just throw that to the side. But I just wanted to show you all this cool case right here for the 16 Pro Max. I don't know why. This is the one thing with Zagg. It's like new iPhone 6.9-inch Pro. Like, just say 16 Pro Max. It is what it is. However, because I believe they may say that because, like, it can fit, like, multiple, like, iPhones. Alright, hold up. Sorry, I got a little impatient and kind of opened this beforehand. But, just kind of wanted to show y'all how this case is. But, yeah, shout out Zagg. I really like their stuff. But take a look at this. That's a really cool case. We'll go ahead, slap it on this real quick for the video. Kind of see how it fits and feels. Very nice feel. We got a nice cutout for the camera button, so you're actually still able to use that. Got the little Zagg there, and come on, that looks cool. Very, very cool stuff. So yeah, just while this thing was doing its thing, I just kind of wanted to show y'all what kind of screen protectors I'll be using on my phones and kind of show y'all this case, because this is a pretty nice one. Like I said, you can pick up these cases at like Best Buy or Zagg's website, but yeah, they are pretty neat. Alright, y'all, so we're back. Phone set up. I kind of just cleared up my home screen because I need to rearrange all my apps and stuff like that and kind of put the default wallpaper on for now. But here it is. One of the first things I kind of want to show you is with the iOS. This should come with the iOS 18. Okay, perfect. So we can have like our dark themed icons. Just like there. I know this is an unboxing, but I gotta show y'all some stuff. You know what I'm saying? And then we got the color tinting. We'll set it like this for now. Kind of just show you what the tinting looks like. That's the tinted icons, but looking real nice. The only thing I really here to show you besides that, and besides like obviously unboxing the phone, is that camera button. Okay. So it's like an actual button. Huh, they said it wasn't going to be an actual button. Okay, so photographic styles, we'll set that up later. Let me just kind of... Okay. So here it is. Okay. So it's an actual button. Shout out my Xbox 360. It's an actual button. I don't know why they said it wasn't an actual button. Now, what I was going to say is this is kind of useless unless you hold the phone this way. Because, sorry, it's a bit of a mess back there. But no one's using the camera control button holding it like that. Okay, let's see here. Okay, so here it is. Here's the box, and if I've never really used this thing. Okay, so if we push, okay, so it is touch. Okay, I see. So if you kind of like tap on it and then like move your finger around, then you can access the zoom and stuff. Okay. Or I could just do this, but you know. Look, this is what I was gonna say about the capture button. I don't think it's that useful. I kind of thought like Apple was gonna go the other way, where it's just kind of like they're gonna remove buttons and stuff like that. I mean, we already have the action button. We don't need another. I mean, yeah, I know y'all are gonna say it's like easy to access the camera and stuff like that, but it's also easy to access the camera if I do that. So honestly, kind of an underwhelming button. I don't understand the hype for it. Let's see here. Okay, so you can access your zoom. I know you can like set your aperture and stuff like that too. I'm not too familiar how to change that through the camera control, to be honest with you. I will probably be doing it through setting, or like through like, you know, actually touching the screen to begin with, because let's be honest, when I'm like zooming and stuff, it is much easier to just kind of do this, you know what I'm saying? I give Apple a year. They're gonna realize next year I'm like, oh no, we don't need this. But let's try again. I mean, okay, so do I need to press down is take a picture. Okay, I still need to get you see, man, I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like there's a little bit of a learning curve here. Okay, so push and hold. Okay. Maybe I'm just dumb. Who knows? Okay, let's see. Okay. All right. So boom, I want to take a picture. All right. And push and hold. Okay, push and hold. Jesus, how do you work this thing? Okay, maybe it's a double click? Oh, okay, you gotta push a little harder. I see. Okay. Let's try it one more time. Let's do it a little seamlessly. Okay, boom. Open the camera, push down hard. Oh, okay, I took a picture, I think. Jesus, okay. Push down, there we go. Okay, you gotta put a little force. Like, you gotta put as much force as if you were about to click the button. Okay, I don't know, guys. I don't know how I feel about that. But of course, the camera's gonna be really nice. And of course, I'm gonna be doing a camera comparison between the Samsung, between the Pixel, and any other phone that I have, or that I currently own that you wanna see. Alright, I mean, the main hype is about iOS 18, but Apple Intelligence isn't even out yet. Oh, sorry. There we go. Apple Intelligence isn't even out yet, so I don't really have much to show there. But I was able to show you guys, like, the cool icon tinting and stuff like that. That's very cool. Let's see here. You can kind of move your icon anywhere. That's game-changing. I know it's not definitely far from new, but it's great that iOS has more customization now. I'm really happy about that. But, like, other than that, not too much to show off the bat. I wanted to show a lot of Apple Intelligence stuff. I don't think it's out yet, even though I got this phone very late. But at least you guys kind of get the gist of it, how thin and beautiful the screen is. The bezels are very thin. The capture button, I think that was the main thing I really wanted to... Okay, so let's see. Put force. Okay, put force. Okay, I'll get the hang of it later. Let me know in the comments below. Am I doing something wrong? Like, how are your guys' experience with the capture button? Like, I don't know. Maybe I'm just weird, but I think I'm just gonna prefer doing this like I do with all of my other phones. Okay. Anyway, here it is, the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Get a good look at that camera again. I will be doing quite a few videos with this phone. Again, I do apologize. This is a shorter unboxing video just because there wasn't really too much for me to dive into that was really new or that I felt was gonna be like interesting to show to you guys. But here it is, running iOS 18 out the box. I'm really happy with this device for now. I do need to do some tests. I do remember one thing I want to say off the bat is, I don't know why, it's a little hot to the touch for some reason. I don't know if it's the case I have on it. It shouldn't be, because my other phone unboxings I did this year wasn't. But it's a tad bit hot to the touch. Let me know. But let me know in the comments below. I want to hear your guys' thoughts. I bet a lot of you guys have had this phone longer than me, I'd imagine. Let me know in the comments, do you like it? What do you not like about it? Are you team Android, team iPhone? But yeah, out-of-box experience is great as usual. Man, okay, I got a lot to work with. I got a lot to learn about this capture button thing. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in once again. I will be making a lot of videos with this phone, as I mentioned. Shout out my fingerprinty case. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in again, as always. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Peace.